All right, for this fun dinosaur egg hatching experiment, you will need some vinegar, food coloring, a box of baking soda, some clear plastic wrap, and a few dinosaur friends, as you see that I've got here on the table. Hi everybody, and welcome back. It's springtime, yay! So that means new beginnings, new things to happen. But what's not new is playing around with some vinegar and baking soda. And I'm sure you've done it before, maybe with some volcanoes. And I know during Halloween we had some funky ooze coming out of jack-o'-lanterns, and that was pretty fun. But today we're going to use it to hatch some dinosaur eggs. So I have here with me, obviously some vinegar. I've gotten some baking soda, laid it out, saran wrap, food coloring because we're going to make some nice colorful eggs, and of course, don't forget your dinosaurs. So just a fun little event just to take some, just a little distraction away from school perhaps, or just because you wanted to have some fun with us at the library. I'm so glad you're back, and well, let's get to it. Okay, so what we have here is the baking soda. I put some water with colored dye. I have blue, yellow, and green. So I'm just gonna, put a little bit here. You don't want to get your mixture too runny, too gloppy. You kind of want to make a little bit of a paste, make it a little bit crumbly. But I like the color blue. Yeah. So you just will have to test it out a little bit, but you kind of want to make it a little bit crumbly. It actually looks like blue cheese. Look at that. I don't know if you can see this. Yeah. Actually looks like a little bit like blue cheese. Yeah. And kind of like the color, so I'm just going to put a little bit more in there. Yeah. Whoops. Hope I didn't put too much. So, it's going to be a nice little paste. Yeah. Okay. And we're going to do this for all the colors. All right. Yeah. So we're going to do it for all the colors. Okay, well look at this. So we've got some green in the works here. We got some yellow. It looks kind of edible, but not really, right? And we got some blue. Nice. All right. Who's ready to make some eggs? Let's do this. Okay, so it's going to get a little messy. I know we're all about not trying to be messy, but what can you do, right? So I'm going to get a little bit of blue here, and I'm going to just compact that in there. I'm going to get a pterodactyl. No, is it pterodactyl? I think it's a pterodactyl, yeah. And we're just going to smush them in there a little bit. Yeah. Maybe some green. Yep. Yeah, maybe some green going on. Yeah, they're not going to like me here. Yeah. Compact it all together, and voila. Okay, so I just wanted to show, maybe they don't look so much like eggs, but after we've covered up the dinosaurs in our mixture and then wrapped them up in some clear plastic wrap, and then I froze them overnight. So you're going to see now the hatching as we pour vinegar over our eggs. All right, so without further ado, let's get this going. Let's see what happens as we put vinegar in there. Whoa. Is it hatching? The whole point of freezing is just to make the effect last a little bit longer. We'll let that sizzle up a little bit. I think something else is hatching over here too. Whoa, something's coming out of this egg. Do you see it? Do you see it? Yeah. And yeah, it's going to be a little bit stinky. The vinegar is a little bit stinky, but it has wonderful cleaning agents, I'll tell you that. How are we doing over here? Need some more? Yeah.
And there you have it. We've got our dinosaurs hatched after some vinegar hit the baking soda, the frozen baking soda mixture. So thank you everybody for joining me, and we hope to see you soon. The library is now open on a limited basis, but check out our website or give us a phone call, and hope to see your smiling faces soon enough. Take care.